How to make a former boyfriend jealous. If your boyfriend left you recently, I'm sure you still feel some anger towards him, don't you? Once we overcome the stage of disappointment and crying, comes the moment of anger and resentment, absolutely normal feelings in the process of the love break. A way to discharge those feelings, raise our self-esteem a bit, have fun and incidentally bother our ex's jealousy. Do you want to know how to make an ex jealous? Men tend to be very predictable and fall for this type of traps. If you follow any of these tips, you will surely achieve your goal. 1. Make yourself the interesting. One of the classic ways to become the interesting is with indifference, a weapon that never fails with men. Did you get a text message from your ex? Well, let him take a seat to get the answer. Delay many hours, or better, days, in answering. I assure you that the man will burn his head from thinking so much why you do not answer him and will elaborate all kinds of theories about it, that you do not care anymore, that you are with another boy and that you are much better without him. 2. Show him your good new stage. The key to making an ex-lover jealous is to show him that your new post-breakup life is fabulous. Always with subtlety and so that it does not sound too exaggerated, because if not, he will not believe anything. Let him know that you are happy with being single. How? For example, if you still keep him on your social networks, it would not hurt to write on Twitter that you will go to the disco with your friends and upload the photos to Facebook the next day. These are tests that will make him believe that you no longer miss him as much as he thought and that you are very busy in your social life. 3. Look cuter than ever. No words, no feigned behavior or not so much, neither Facebook status, appearance. A picture is worth 1,000 words. If your ex-boyfriend looks very cute, he will surely realize that the breakup did you very well and he may even wonder why he made the mistake of leaving such beauty. Winking face. Every time you have a friend's birthday in common or go to those places where you can find him, dress in your best clothes, sexy but tasteful, elegant and highlight your attributes, wear a makeup not too exaggerated and that highlights your eyes above all things, a new hairstyle or haircut, some perfume and, above all, show yourself with a lot of attitude and confidence in yourself. 4. Be nice and kind. Just as indifference leaves you thinking, being nice and kind to him will surprise him and even annoy him. Did he think that he was going to find you ruined from crying so much? Did he think that you were going to claim something for the separation? Far from that. Smile, greet him and even ask him about his life with total spontaneity as if nothing had happened. That's right, but forbidden to talk about your relationship. This also shows that you are in a new stage and that seeing him does not mean an emotional conflict for you anymore. 5. Comment on other men. When we make the decision to separate, both men and women, we hope not to hurt our ex-partner and suffer as little as possible, but also let's confess our ego needs to know that we will not be forgotten too fast, right? Well, precisely, that is what you have to show him, that you forgot him. And not only that, but you are also interested in other people. If you have the opportunity, or if he directly asks you, tell him in passing if you have dated a boy, if you have a suitor hanging around or if you have a man in mind. Do not doubt that with that information you can provoke jealousy in an ex immediately. To learn more about how to make a former boyfriend jealous, download my book free by clicking the book image on the right or the link in the description below and please subscribe to this channel and share this video.